Let's get right to it. I get it. You like the title, the data scientist. Sounds sexy, and of course you're a scientist. Well, no, not really. There's no science in data science. It's all math and data, but it does sound cool. The truth is, a data scientist in the real world is nothing more than an overpaid statistician. The real world work is being done by machine learning engineers. I wrote a post about this on Quora several years ago discussing why the data science role was a fad role and why this role would eventually become the domain of the data professional or the programmer. I said the top skill was SQL, and I was laughed at. I was called a liar and all sorts of other mean things. No one's laughing now. The top skill in applied machine learning is SQL. It's well documented. Well, I'm laughing because I'm that guy that has no problem with told you so. Okay, let's look at some roles. Here's a data scientist role at Progressive, a well-known company that doesn't know what the real world looks like or what the roles are. Check out the three core things they're looking for in their data scientists: SQL, AWS, and Azure. I've interviewed people for roles at Uber and Microsoft, and I have never met someone from academia that made it past the most basic SQL questions, let alone ever had any real-world cloud experience. Not one person. So, as you can clearly see, the job is for someone who's been in the real world for a long time. If you look at the preferred skills, the only thing a data scientist might have is deep learning and computer vision. That means they have 1 out of 7 required skills for this role. Let's take a look at another role, a senior data scientist at CVS. The top 3 skills here are SQL, SQL Server, and AWS. I've never interviewed or spoken to someone, a single person from academia, with a data scientist title that could author a complex query. I've never interviewed or spoken to anyone with a data science resume that worked with SQL Server or had any real-world cloud knowledge or skills. The top job in all of AI is the machine learning engineer. Most data science roles are really for machine learning engineers. Now, there are jobs out there for data scientists, the statistician types. These roles do exist. However, if you take your time and peruse some of the real-world data scientist roles, you'll see that most of them really belong to the domain of the data professional skilled in modeling. We call these people machine learning engineers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, have a great day. We'll see you soon. Psst, I told you so.